Welcome back everybody, Todd here. If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by. Today we're going to do a review on these Ben Lowry mid-frame air deflectors for Harley Davidson touring models. So come on with me and let's jump into this product review. Here we go, this is what comes in the box. Obviously you've got a set of instructions. Having been through this, looked at it, a very detailed set of instructions. Should be no problem at all to follow along and get these installed. The hardware is pretty simple. You got a bolt and a washer, top and bottom. Then on the bottom side, you've got this hexagon nut. It's going to slip in, and I'll show you that in a few minutes when we go over to the motorcycle. But between those things on each side, that's all there is to it. You've got your deflector here. And by the way, this is in a vivid black. Okay, let's take a walk over to the bike and let me show you what's going on. Here's our Harley Davidson touring model. And these are the mid-frame air deflectors. What you've got is, if you look closely, you can see there's a triangle right here. Kind of passes all the way through. It goes all the way through the bike. It's just a big gaping hole here. And here's your engine. So when you're sitting on the bike, your legs come down here because you got the forward controls. So your leg is right here. All that engine heat, particularly in the hot summer months when it's 90 degrees out, is kind of coming right up on your inner thigh. These are going to install right down here, and they're going to go in like that. So it's going to shield that heat from coming up directly onto your leg. It's also going to close in this hole that you have that goes right through the bike. So here's your riding position on the bike. And again, you can see with the forward controls, your feet are forward, and here's your engine, and all that heat is coming up and hitting you right here. So by putting those mid-frame air deflectors on, it's going to deflect that away from the bottom side of your leg. Let's go ahead and take a look, and I'll show you where these are going to bolt to. Looking up inside of here, you can see right above my finger is a hole, and it has threads in it. That's where the top bolt is going to go. Then down here on the bottom, if we come down here, you can kind of see a hex opening right here. See how that's a hexagon shape? Again, here's our hexagon cutout. We simply have to stick this in from the back side and then put the bolt in there and cinch it together. So in order to do that, we're going to have to take our cover off. To get that off safely, we're going to want to take our bag off. As you can see, the mid-frame air deflectors have been installed. It's a perfect color match to the vivid black. Certainly giving you protection from that hot air coming off of the motor there. I'd like to thank Ben Lowry for sending this product out for me to review. Well, that's going to do it for this review. I appreciate you tagging along. Do me a favor and hit that like button. Hit subscribe if you haven't already. And then we'll see you back here again for another review.